Dear students, I start with lecture 53 of 101 and 102. We start with topic number 155, definition of eigenvalues and eigenvectors. This is a key definition of unit 4. From here we start with unit 4, but as I said in the previous lectures, we can't say this is unit 3 and this is unit 4 because all things are merged. આ બધું એવું છે, બધું ભેગું થયેલું છે. આમાં ફેરફાર કરી શકાય એવું નથી કે ભાઈ આ યુનિટ 3 માં છે ને આ યુનિટ 4 માં છે, પણ બંને યુનિટ સાથે ચાલી રહ્યા છે. ડેફિનેશન ખૂબ જ ધ્યાનથી 2 થી 3 વાર વાંચો અને ઓછામાં ઓછી 2 વાર લખો. જોઈ લો. અત્યારે 155 ઉપર જ ફોકસ કરો. 156 ની વાત હું પછી કરું છું. Let Aij n be a square metric of order n and lambda a scalar, real number or complex number. If there exists a non-zero column matrix X satisfying Ax equal to lambda x, then lambda is called eigenvalue of A and x is called eigenvector of A corresponding to lambda. Here x is n cross 1 matrix. Dear students, if lambda 1 and lambda 2 are two eigenvalues of values corresponding to the eigenvector x, means the same eigenvector, means Ax equal to lambda 1x and Ax equal to lambda 2x. Lambda 1x equal to lambda 2x means it can be write lambda 1 minus lambda 2x equal to 0 bar. Therefore lambda 1 minus lambda 2 is 0. Because x is non-zero and therefore lambda 1 equal to lambda 2. So this is very important topic for us. You have to think about it. Means for each particular vector there is only one eigenvalue. Dear students, there are one definition and one theorem. Both are very important. So read at least 2 to 3 times and write it at least twice, both the definitions and the theorem. In is identity matrix. So we have, there is one sum, find eigenvalue and eigenvectors of this matrix. So for this matrix, answer here. Characteristic equation is A minus lambda I2 equal to 0. Therefore, determinant of 1 minus lambda 4 3 2 minus lambda equal to 0. આમાં કેવી રીતે છે? A minus lambda I2. So because આ તમને સમજવા માટે પહેલો દાખલો છે ને 1 3 4 2 minus lambda 1 0 0 1. તો શું થાય? 1 minus lambda 4 minus 0 4 3 minus 0 3 2 minus lambda 2 minus lambda. આવી રીતે છે. Simplify it. Therefore 1 minus lambda 2 minus lambda minus 12 equal to 0. Therefore 2 minus lambda minus 2 lambda lambda square minus 12 equal to 0. So lambda square minus 3 lambda minus 10 equal to 0, and therefore lambda minus 5 lambda plus 2 equal to 0. So we have values of lambda, we have two values of lambda. Therefore lambda equal to 5 or lambda equal to minus 2 are eigen values. These are eigen values. And therefore for lambda equal to minus 2 3 4 3 4 x1 x2 is 0 0. I think you may have question how we find 3, 4, 3, 4. Now we choose value of lambda is minus 2. We put it here. 1 minus of minus 2, so it is 3. And 4 is there. 3, 2 minus of minus 2 means it is 4. And therefore it is 3, 4, 3, 4. And here it is x1, x2. The cause is that Ax equal to lambda x. Therefore, Ax minus lambda x equal to 0. A minus lambda I2 x equal to 0. We find it actually by this one. આના પરથી જ આપણે આ શોધ્યું છે. આ જે છે ને A minus lambda I2 એ અહીંયાથી જ આવેલું છે. કારણ કે x તો નોન ઝીરો છે. Clear? So we have found it from here. અને આનો ગુણાકાર કરશો. So what we will have? 3x1 plus 4x2 0. And therefore x2 equal to minus 3 by 4 x1. So this is value of x2. This is eigenvector. Therefore, is eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue minus 2. So this is half of the answer. Yet we have to find eigenvector corresponding to lambda equal to 5. But check it once more. એક વાર જોઈ લો છોકરાઓ, પછી આપણે આગળ જઈએ. So for next one, we have value of lambda lambda is minus 2 here, and here lambda is equal to 5. Therefore, minus 5 minus 4 plus 4, 3 minus 3 is 0, 0. We put lambda equal to 5 means it is minus 5 plus 4. 3 is there. 2 minus 5 means minus 3. x1, x2 equal to 0, 0. Check there. So we have minus 4x1 plus 4x2 0, 3x1 minus 3x2 0. But by both the identities we have x1 and x2 are same. and therefore x1 x2, actually it is x2, but x2 is actually x1, where x1 is real number, or you can write it like this. Therefore x1 x2, where x1 equal to x2 and both are real numbers, and this is equal to x1 x1, x1 is real number. So is eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue 5. This is end of the sum. So have a look properly and then we go further. One more sum on the board. 1 1 1 1. Answer. This is a here characteristic equation a minus lambda I2 equal to 0. Therefore 1 minus lambda 1 1 minus lambda. Now I suggest that you start this sum, and I hope you will do it by yourself. So I stop this lecture here and see you in the next lecture. Thank you very much. So do the calculation for lambda, and then I will find eigenvalues and eigenvectors in the next lecture. But if you can find eigenvalues, તમે જો શોધી શકો તો શોધો, નહીં તો આપણે next lecture માં મળીએ છીએ. Thank you very much.